Like I say, it's not always like it is on TV. All right, so since I put this new faucet on, there's a space right here. I think it's only like about 3/8 of an inch of a space. So I've been looking for something to fill that space. Okay, so to protect the chrome, I'm just going to put this rag on top of it. I tried this one. It was too thick. So I went to a different store. I got this one because I thought the base of the faucet would fit in that hole. It does, but it won't go down all the way. And then I went to a different store and I got this one. Oh, it's the right thickness. I didn't really want to be bothered with the fact that it has a hinge and all that, but it still wouldn't fit on there nicely because the stem to the faucet, you should turn it a little bit, because the stem to the faucet is down too low to this. Then I tried this one and I have finally given up and I decided I would just caulk it.